Good morning, everybody. Just doing a little quick update here. I hope y'all enjoyed last night's craziness. We had a good time. My daughter and her friend, we had a good laugh, and they even watched it afterwards, and I could hear them in there laughing. So maybe we'll do that more often. She really liked that. I'm out here watering the garden today, and I can't get the sprinkler we have to go over the plant, so I rigged up a ladder with the sprinkler on it, 6-foot ladder, and it is really getting that water out there to them plants, and it's coming from way up there, so it looks like it's raining to the plants, I guess. But anyway, just want to touch base with y'all. I started putting in my poles yesterday. You see the 10-foot 4x4s, 2 foot in the ground. I got 3 on this side and 3 to do on the other side. Should have got it done yesterday, all of it, but I got a little overheated, so I'll finish it maybe this evening. But that is the 4x4s. Gonna be 3 on this side and 3 on the other side, and they are for shade cloth. We've had a lot of issues with the sun baking our plants in the heat of the summer. So we'll have a shade cloth on a slide that we'll be able to cover in the heat of the day and uncover in the morning for the morning sun. And may put a little hand crank on it so it's easy to do. But this is a 30 by 30 foot raised bed garden. And this is just something we never done before, so we're going to try it out and see what happens, guys. Y'all take it easy. Happy Sunday. God bless each and every one of y'all. And yeah, that's about it. Had a lot of fun last night. Truly enjoyed it. Made a lot of people mad or upset or whatever. But we were just having fun, guys. Anyway, y'all take it easy.